Hi everyone, new topic calcination was roasting. See, these were metallurgical operation and important process in extraction of metal from its ore. Okay, before discussing this process, let us discuss about the extraction of metal from its ore. A brief description. Okay, so the extraction of metal from its ore. Example, extraction of aluminium from bauxite. Bauxite is an ore of aluminium. Extraction of zinc from zinc blende. Extraction of lead from galena. Likewise. So here the ore, that is we are getting the ore from earth crust, crushing and grinding. Crushing and grinding. After that we will get a powdered form of ore. Okay, this powdered form of ore, next step is concentration of ore. The impurities like sand, we have to remove the impurities like sand. The process is called concentration of ore. So after that, the third step is oxidation process. This conversion, the conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide. So after oxidation, we will get a metal oxide. Fourth step is reduction. Reduction means conversion of metal oxide into metal. So we will get a metal. From ore, we will get a metal here in the fourth step. Then the last step is refining of metal. If any impurity is present, we have to remove all the impurities. That is, then we will get a pure metal. This is the fifth step. Okay. See, let us focus on third step. Calcination and roastings where comes under this step. Let us discuss about the difference between calcination and roasting. Here, calcination, it is the process in which the ore is heated in the absence or limited supply of air or oxygen. So in the absence of air, we will heat the ore. This is calcination. And in the case of roasting, the ore is heated in the presence of air or oxygen. Here absence of oxygen, here presence of oxygen. Here absence of oxygen or limited supply of oxygen, but here excess. We will add air or oxygen. And important thing is that in both cases, the heating temperature is below its melting point. Then this, whether it is calcination or roasting, that we will select based on the nature of ore. The nature of ore means if the ore is carbonate ore, if the ore is carbonate ore, oxide ore or hydroxide ore, we can select calcination. But here, if the ore is sulfide ore, select roasting. Let us discuss about some examples. Here, sudden CO3, this is calamine, okay. Then the calamine is the ore of zinc. Then you will get, after simply heating, you will get a sudden O plus CO2. Next one, limonite, Fe2O3 3H2O. After heating, you will get oxide of iron, then 3H2O. Then here, CaCO3 MgCO3 twice. This is dolomite, CaMgCO3 twice. Okay, this is dolomite. Heating, after heating, we will get a CaO plus MgO, calcium oxide and magnesium oxide. Then oxide of magnesium, then plus 2CO2. Next one, FeCO3. This is FeCO3. This is siderite. After heating, oxide of iron plus carbon dioxide. Next one, that's malachite, CuCO3, CuOH twice. Ore of copper. We will get a oxide of copper plus water plus carbon dioxide. Then next one, calcite, CaCO3. Then we will get CaO plus CO2. This is calcination process. But in the case of roasting, we will select sulfide ore. Okay, sudden S. This is zinc blende. 2 sudden S plus 3O2 giving 2 sudden O plus 2SO2. This is oxide of zinc. Next, copper glans, Cu2S, sulfide ore. 2 Cu2S plus 3 O2 giving 2 CuO plus 2SO2. Okay, oxide of copper. Then galena, PbS plus 2 PbS plus 3O2 giving 2 PbO plus 2 SO2. So oxide of lead. Then just check the byproducts. In calcination, carbon dioxide and water produced along with the metal oxide. But in the case of roasting, SO2, sulfur dioxide, is produced along with the metal oxide. Okay, thank you.